This is the Espar heater control. And this is the Espar output underneath your bunk. To use this thing, it is pretty easy. What I would recommend doing is running your truck for a while, especially if it has not been running a while. Just do a pre-trip or whatever, then go ahead and turn it off. But I would recommend starting this right up if your truck has not been run in a while. And it says to operate it for about 20 minutes each month. Good thing to do. Basically, you just press on. Boop. That's it. Heater is stopped. Check heater. Press again, it's enabled. That is 10 hours, and this is what it is set to. So you tap up and down. If you hold it, then it doesn't seem to do much of anything. You have to press each one. And if you try to get to some sort of diagnostic, by holding power, that also does nothing, it just turns it off. So off, on, and then you have heater adjust. This doesn't cover any diagnostics whatsoever. This is just how to use that thing. Once the 10 hours is up, it will go ahead and turn itself off. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped somebody.